Bathroom germs. Germs in your bathroom, everything you need to know. 6-minute read. What are bathroom germs? What causes these germs in the bathroom? How many germs are in your bathroom? How long can these pesky germs survive? What can you do to minimize bathroom germs? What can you do to avoid any germ-related infection while using public toilet? Who would have thought that not washing your hands can live over 200 million bacteria? What that failing to put the toilet sit down could contaminate your toothbrush? It's surprising to many, but it's crucial to be aware of the germs and bacteria that lurk in your seemingly spotless bathroom. You may have seen several advertisements on television about the implication of bathroom germs, bacteria and possible infection, but you have likely never given it a second thought. One quick glance at your bathroom and you may be fooled into thinking that it is spotlessly clean. You are safe from any poor hygienic implication that may not be the reality. We are giving you the cold hard truth about what lies behind the sheen and shine of your bathroom. What are bathroom germs? Bathroom germs are potentially harmful bacteria and microbes that can cause illnesses such as strep throat, staph infections, salmonella, and athlete's foot. There's a wide variety of bathroom germs that you may find littering in your bathroom, many of them potentially harmful. E. coli, salmonella, and Staphylococcus aureus are three of the biggest bathroom culprits. These germs and bacteria are found across bathroom surfaces like toilets, bathroom floors, and shower curtains. Shockingly, traces of these bacteria and fecal matter have even been found on toothbrush. What causes these germs in the bathroom? Number 1. The biggest causes for bathroom germs is infrequent cleaning. Sinks, towels, showers, floors, even your door handle have been shown to be home to hundreds of millions of bacteria, and this is multiplied when bathrooms are not cleaned regularly. Number 2. Another causes is on that you need to be especially aware of: keeping your toothbrush too close to the toilet. The University of Pennsylvania recommends keeping your toothbrush more than 4 from your toilet to minimize the risk of E. coli, staph infections, and Staphylococcus. How many germs are in your bathroom? According to researchers from Manchester University, these hotbeds of bacteria and fungi can be linked to health conditions such as Legionnaires, Crohn's disease, as well as general skin, hair, eyes, and ear complaints. There are around 200 million bacteria per square inch staph infection. Well, these germs can survive for days or weeks. That should motivate you to keep that bathroom clean. If a family member or roommate is ill, take extra care to ensure you are frequently wiping surface clean with this infectant. What can you do to minimize bathroom germs? While we hope this information doesn't apply to you, it's an all too familiar cause that people don't know what lies behind their bathroom door. Hopefully, in the information we have provided to you about bathroom germs, bacteria, and potential infection motivate you to be extra vigilant for these germs. Don't let germs linger. Wash your hands with warm soapy water. Counted ABCs through when washing. Regularly clean your shower curtains, and bathroom floors. Remember, your bathroom is a hotbed for microbiome growth. Regular maintenance of your bathrooms is crucial for good hygiene. Close the toilet lid when flushing to prevent the spread of dangerous microbes and bacteria. Don't use the same toilet more than 4 to 5 times. Wear slippers. Walking barefoot in a dirty bathroom can cause adverse foot. What can you do to avoid any germ-related infection while using public toilets? Women's Health recommends wiping down the public toilet seats with toilet paper before using a public toilet, and make sure that you minimize touching any surface you don't need to. Another way to avoid germ-related infection is to flush the toilet with your soaps. If you happen to encounter a public toilet without a lid, extremely common. Use clean tissues to open any bins or doors.